Hey guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to unfollow someone on Twitter for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the tutorial. First, we go to the Twitter application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitter. And after that, you can go to the home. Click on the home. In the below of the left corner, and the next step, you can go to the profile picture or the profile avatar in the upper of the left corner. Click on, and then you can go to the profile. Okay, let's see. For the following, click on the following. And let's see, there is two people there I'm following. So how to unfollow it? You can type the following to the someone that you want to be unfollowed. Go to click on the unfollowing, and it's automatically you don't unfollow this account. Okay, go to the profile. Let's see, there is one following. It means I have been to unfollow this person or these people. Okay, and this is a tutorial how to unfollow someone on Twitter for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention, and bye.